Right, so this is what I can't deal with anymore. Guys, what do you think is the problem here? Okay, so what is the reason why it's making that noise? Welcome back, just a quick one today. So, who has a problem with their wipers, their window wipers, when they go on, they kind of shudder and make a really loud noise? Okay, so this is what happens. One of my YouTuber mates, Andy Kirby, has recommended isopropyl alcohol. So I'm going to put this on the wipers, wipe any kind of grease or any type of whatever it is that's gripping hold of either the window or the wipers. I'm going to clean it with this stuff. So 1 litre of this stuff, $9.99 from Amazon. Probably get cheaper elsewhere, but I just done it, got it on. I literally ordered it about 11 o'clock last night, and it's already come today. So I'll put this on. I'll wipe the wipers, and I'll see what the results are going to be. All right. Right. So I've done that. Now, before I'm going to put any cleaner on the windscreen at all, I'm just going to test that out now. Let's see what happens now. Okay, still getting it, especially on this one here. Right, now let me try and use it on the windscreen itself and see whether I can take loads of whatever it is off the windscreen, and then I'm going to put then I'm going to use a window cleaner, then I'm going to use a ceramic window cleaner on top, so I can give it a bit of a I don't know, like a protection, and then see what happens there. Right, so the first thing I'm going to use is this isopropyl alcohol for the windscreen. Then I'm going to use this Autofinesse crystal glass cleaner, and then I'm going to use the Autofinesse ceramics glass cleaner, and then see where we go from there. Okay, now the window cleaner. Now the ceramic glass cleaner. See how we got on. I think that's all I can do now, other than changing the wipers. Let's see what that's done. Still getting it. Okay, so fast forward a few days, and I had to order some new wipers, so I've got them here. These are the ones you're going to need. So I went for the Bosch ones, simple. I think they're pretty much standard, the same as what's already on the car. So For either side, there's two different sizes. So you've got a 530mm and you've got a 600mm. So basically that's 21 inch and 24 inch. So the model numbers are for, I think the AP21 is for the passenger side if you're in the UK, on the left hand side of the car, and the AP24 is for the driver side, the right hand side, which is the larger one. So got these off of Amazon. I think they're anywhere around about sort of 11 to 12 quid each, 11 to 12 pounds. Right, so let's go and take the old ones off. Now, I found a trick that I didn't even know I had until I was doing a little bit of Googling. Basically, to put your window wipers up and just to keep them straight up, there is a trick. Now, some people say you've got to go into the function and you've got to do this and you've got to do that in order to put it into service mode, but there's actually a very quick way of doing it, so I'll show you. So with the engine on, just turn your engine off, and then within 30 seconds hold right the way down. There we go, your window wipers are up. Just holding the window wiper stalk down, it puts them into service mode. No messing around looking at different functions or anything. So let's get them off. Right, so once they're up, there's a little button here. I think you just have to push that little button. Simple as that. Right, so I think with these old ones, there's like some sort of coating that I think has come off, and I think that's why they're making that noise. So I just thought, just get some fresh rubber basically on them. So with these new ones, the new ones come with various different connectors. So I've just got to find the one that's matched with this one. So it's quite easy to clip them on, so I think you just line it up and just, there we go, pretty much on. Okay, so for both blades, the large and the small, using clip number 4 is the best one, or the only one to use. That's out of all of these, you've got loads of different clips, but this clip number 4 is the best one to use. Right, so the longer one goes on this side. So simply just slide it on. Slides straight down. There we go. Now let's see if these ones squeak. Right, so I think if you just start the engine, they would automatically go down. There we go. Right, let's see what happens now then. Yes, I have no more squeaks. Job done. Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope I've helped someone out somewhere along the way. I know it's a simple job, but some people just have no idea what to do in these situations. So if I've helped you, please like, and please do subscribe, because there's lots of little tips and stuff that I'm doing along the way. And leave a message and let me know whether it helped you at the same time. So until next time, over and out.